I think he wants to dirt bike with me. I like the power of the second. Man, I feel like third is a good gear for this, but I'm probably doing something wrong. Okay, I'm starting to like the third actually. Yeah! I think he wants to dirt bike with me. I like the power of the second. Man, I feel like third is a good gear for this, but I'm probably doing something wrong. Oh! Okay, I'm starting to like the third actually.